So in this video I'm going to cover MQTT communication using Python. Again, if you want to set up the broker for this, you should watch the first video in this series about MQTT using the squirrel. So I'll get right into it. Initially you have to set up something called Paho, and that's basically some sort of folder of files that you can use to connect to MQTT within Python. So if you use pip3 to install this, as you can see at the top, I've typed in pip3 install Paho MQTT in my CMD, my command window, and then obviously mine's already done it. It says the requirement's already been satisfied. It should save it to this sort of user area, which is pretty out of the way. Max wired, app data, local programs, Python 3.10 lib site packages. So if you go to that area, you should see this if it's been installed already. And then if you open a Python file, you can now import Paho into the workspace once this has been done by just using this command here, import paho.mqtt.client as MQTT. Then you can create a callback. So similar to what we use in the MATLAB function, we're going to use a callback for every time we receive a message. But this one's a callback for every time we connect to a broker. So I've used def on connect, client user data flags RC, print connected, and then client subscribe to topic 1. So that just outputs connected when you're connected, and then it'll subscribe to topic 1. Obviously you can change it to whatever topic you want. Now I've got a callback for every message that we receive. It's going to print the topic of the message and then a space, and then print the actual payload of the message. Then actually to connect to the broker, we've got our callbacks here and we've got the import function, but to connect to the broker itself, we need to write this code here. So the client equals mqtt.client, client on connect equals on connect. That gets the function to that gets the callback function for the connection. And the client on message equals on message. That gets the callback function for the message. And then it's going to connect to client connect, same broker as in MATLAB, which is 127.0.0.1, the default broker, part 1883. And I think this is 60 to keep it alive for 60 seconds. But then it says client.loop forever, so that's just going to keep on going on until you end the session. So here I'm going to test the connection. So I'll run this module. I get the idle shell. I'm running Python in idle, by the way. You can run it whatever you want, but I just know how to do it with this. And then if I go in my command window, and I locate the right file area, so I go to Mosquito and I publish something to Mosquito at topic 1. So I'm going to publish the message hello, and then you can see I'm receiving the message hello. But you'll notice that it says B before the hello, and we never actually programmed that in there. And now I'll talk about how we can fix this. So the reason that it was showing up that B before it was because it was in the wrong format. So as you can see here, I've wrote a little line of code to decode it from UTF-8. So I've set string1 equals message.payload.decode UTF-8, and then I've printed the string1 instead of the message payload, so that should output it properly. And then I'm going to subscribe to multiple topics, so I'm going to go into topic 1 and topic 2, just to show what the difference is between them both, and showing that you can how to do more than one. So now I'm going to open the CMD window, and I'm just going to publish to topic 1 the message hello. And as you can see, it outputs topic 1 hello with none of that B before it, so it's all in the right format. And then I'm going to publish topic 2 goodbye, and then there you go. That's publishing the subscriptions MQTT within Python.